Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting tutorial. If you're working with data in Smartsheet, you're in for a treat because today we're tackling VLOOKUP, one of the most powerful functions for searching and retrieving information. This is episode 125, and we're focusing on the 2025 updates, so let's dive right in. First off, what's VLOOKUP? It stands for vertical lookup, and it's essentially a formula that lets you look up a value in a table and pull in related data from another column. Think of it as your digital detective for spreadsheets. Why use it in Smartsheet? Well, Smartsheet is fantastic for project management and collaboration, and VLOOKUP helps you automate data entry, reduce errors, and save tons of time. Let's get into the steps. Start by opening your Smartsheet and navigating to the sheet where you want to use VLOOKUP. Select the cell where you need the result. Now, type in the formula equals VLOOKUP, followed by an open parenthesis. The first argument is your lookup value. That's the data you're searching for. Next, specify the table array, which is the range of cells containing your data. Then, add the column index number, indicating which column to pull the data from. Finally, include the range lookup, usually set to false for an exact match. For example, if you have a list of employee IDs in column A and their names in column B, you could use VLOOKUP to find the name based on an ID. Don't forget to use absolute references, like $signs, to keep your table array locked in place when copying the formula. One common pitfall is getting a #N, a error, which means the value wasn't found. Double-check your spelling and data types to avoid this. With the 2025 updates, Smartsheet has made VLOOKUP even faster and more intuitive, so experiment with it in your workflows. There you have it, a straightforward guide to mastering VLOOKUP in Smartsheet. Practice this on your own sheets, and you'll be a pro in no time. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.